White Tulsi and holy vessels. According to the beliefs of Indians, planting Tulsi in the house can destroy negative energy and at the same time can increasing positive energy. Holy vessels has an auspicious and special significance in Hinduism. हिंदू समुदाय द्वारा एक पवित्र पौधे के रूप में पूजनीय है। ब्रह्म पुराण में तुलसी को सीता स्वरूपा, स्कंद पुराण में लक्ष्मी स्वरूपा, चक्ष सहित में विष्णु प्रिया, ऋग्वेद में कल्याणी कहा गया है। Purple Tulsi, also known as Krishna Tulsi, has a unique color. Krishna Tulsi is considered to be one of the most sacred plants in Hinduism and is believed to bring blessings and good luck to the household. Krishna Tulsi is often fed to children who suffer from cold and cough issues. It is also useful for high fever. Its antioxidant characteristics are good for heart health and diabetes patients as well. Also used for hair losses treatment and dandruff treatments, and also good for skin. Lemon basil, incredible health benefit of this aromatic herb. This herb cultivated mostly in Southern Asia and Northern Africa belongs to the mint family. Lemon basil heal acne, removal blackheads and it's moisturizing to the skin. Lemon basil is used for great in lightening the skin tone. Another important functions of this basil leaves is to brighten the skin tone. Natural essential oil present in it makes to soap protein for removing dullness. This plant also used in cooking for aroma. Rama Tulsi, most powerful Tulsi. It's also called Sri Tulsi. Leaves are mildly sweet and leaves are also used for worship. In such a situation, applying it in the house brings happiness and prosperity. Rama Tulsi is a natural herb with stress relieving properties. Also, this plant used to improve liver health, promotes weight loss. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. For more video, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.